Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have an infant, it can be kind of scary to take them out in public, but this little stroller tag from 3 Little Tots has given us some peace of mind. It says, "Stop. Your germs are too much for me to bear. Please look, don't touch. Mommy thanks you very much." So cute. It's a really sweet way of asking people to just please don't spread your germs to my little baby, and it's so cute. It's the woodland themed stroller tag from 3 Little Tots, and we love it. It looks great on our stroller. It's a good size, or it's still easy to read but not too huge, and it's made out of a really nice waterproof material. So if you're looking for a way to keep your infant safe when they're out and about, if you are just a little nervous about having people touch them when they're too little, definitely invest in one of these stroller tags. Really easy to hang on your stroller or your car seat. We love ours. They have a lot of really cute designs to choose from too, so I suggest you look into it. And that's my point of view.